Hello, in front of me I've got Red Dead Redemption. In this video I'll show you how to check your horse stamina. At the beginning, when you are riding a horse and sprint, press left shift button repeatedly to sprint. As you can see, my horse has run out of the stamina, which you can see on the left side next to the minimap. Slow down a little bit to replenish the stamina. Press repeatedly shift to sprint again. Stamina level is located on the bar on the left side of the minimap. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.